CNC Machining.
Hello, I'm Bruce Smith, the instructor in the CNC Machining program here at Green Country Technology Center. Today, computer numerically controlled, or CNC machines, are found almost everywhere, from small job shops in rural communities to Fortune 500 companies in large urban areas. Machining is used in many facets of manufacturing. These innovative machine tools are essential to modern manufacturing and affect nearly everything in our modern society. These are good-paying careers in this region sought by highly skilled, motivated individuals with excellent opportunities for advancement.
Hello, my name is Gavin Wright, and I'm a current student in the CNC program. Since I began this program, I've learned how to operate various CNC machines. I've learned about the software used in everyday manufacturing, and I'm now learning how to use the 3D printer and some on a laser. In my time so far, I've learned how to make a tool holder that I will be able to take home and use if and when I may need it. I can confidently say that the sky's the limit, and to anyone who is undecided on their choice in programs, if you like hands-on, but also a good amount on the technological side, you should choose the CNC program. Go Green.
Students in the CNC Machining program learn to use advanced computer technology to manufacture unique products for a wide range of production needs. Our shop is equipped with state-of-the-art, industry-standard precision machines. All students have the opportunity to receive various NIMS certifications, which authenticate these valuable skill sets. If you're looking for a rewarding career in the manufacturing field, CNC is the program for you.